Okay, welcome everyone. So this is a review of the Evergoods CAP2 or Civic Access panel tech case. So as you've probably seen from some of my other videos, I've been trying to find the perfect tech case that I can have not only on my desk here, this is my desk and only my setup here, but also out on the road, so I can just quickly grab it and off I go. So a lot of people rave about this tech case, so I decided to get it after the Bellroy, the Wondrid, and also the Peak Designs not really fitting the bill. If you remember, I have this one here, which is the it's a bit dusty actually, the AZO equipment Desi case. So it's got everything just kind of more or less chucked in, I suppose, want of a better word. So right, let's get to it. So literally this has just come today. As you can tell, it's still got the tag on. So let's open her up. So you kind of think that this is the front, but then when it opens, this becomes the front. So let's get rid of this. So can it fit everything that I want it to fit? Let's start with the charger. Now I am actually looking to get a different MacBook charger because being in the UK, these are quite a cumbersome item, especially with how the plug sticks on them. So I've seen some that are kind of, I think from Huge Green or somewhere, they're kind of like that, so and square. So what I'm looking for, so this goes in there quite nicely. This can go in there like that. Then we have phone charger. I don't really need to take this with me, so it's not something that I'd take, but let's just show what it can do. That can go in there. Then we've got the AirPod Pros. They fit quite comfortably in that little pocket there. Okay, so we have this, which obviously you can clip keys and things onto, or maybe a USB pen drive or something or other, just so you don't lose it. Personally, I'd have, well, I don't really have a car key because the car key is a card, so I can't store that. So let's just carry on here. So we've got some cables. So that's a phone charger, or USB-C to USB-C. Let's just see what this can really load out, shall we? So this is a phone, just normal Thunderbolt, etc. USB-C. Watch, Apple Watch, bit of an Apple fanboy here. MacBook charger, so that would go with that. And then just a cable, just USB. So it's A to A, but it's the quicker cable. So then we've got just a USB-C in to a normal USB-C, but that's the memory card. That's how I connect what I'm doing now and other things to the MacBook. So that goes in there nicely. Also got this, which is a adapter, just so you can see that. So this is just taking everything out of the pack that's to the side of me. That can go in there. That goes in there quite nicely actually. That could also go in there. There's plenty of space there. Torch, little torch, little U-light, O-light torch, which can go in there quite nicely. Pen, or a couple of pens, go in nicely as well. Although I'd actually probably stick them in there just so they're not rubbing up against stuff, easier to get to maybe. So that's that. So they're those parts. Then obviously you have your mouse. This is the MX Master. I think I've showed you this before. This is the original one. So when is this? 2017, something like that. So I've had it a while. Battery's pretty good. So as you can see, things are getting loaded quite nicely. And if we look in here, there are in a couple of bits. I don't know if I'll take that as well. There's just a little adapter, USB-C to micro USB. Right, so could this fit this in here as well? Might be a bit awkward. Okay, so that could go in there. Right. Wow. Okay. I'm pretty impressed. This is really nice. It doesn't kind of, nothing sticking out. As you can see, everything's still got some squishiness to it, so that means it's not fully compact. If you want to send me a morale patch, please do. Obviously doesn't come with one, but yeah, so you can pick it up and I'm good to go. So that would go into a bag quite nicely, quite easily. There's size comparison between the two. A little bit taller. It's just everything's thrown in on this one. Again, so you just go so you can see. The only thing I have maybe a little gripe is just these pull tabs. There isn't one on the top, so can get a little bit. See, access everything quite nicely there. So it's just this one doesn't feel as good quality, but small things I can always add, as I have done before, some purple power cord like this. Oh, I could do this, add some purple power cord like that. So yeah, so there you are. That's the Evergoods Civic Access Panel 2. Little card that came with it, that was inside. I'm happy. I am a very happy bunny. So this, I got this off eBay. I'm in the UK. I got this off eBay. There is a company that sells them in the UK, but they're quite expensive. They're about £100. So I paid 70, which is okay. I think there's another website, but they're out of stock, which is a European one, and they're around 60. So all in all, happy. You can see there's a couple more pockets here as well, so you can like kind of just, there we go. It's good to go. Excellent. Well, many thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, watch my other videos as well. Please give me any feedback, comments. Many thanks for watching. Goodbye.